Hi, my name's Dale Rogers, and I'm a Massachusetts sculptor. I'm the creator of the Sanford gulls. The gulls look great down in Florida. They're created out of stainless steel, and they really look good on the water. We took a lot of time making these gulls. They were welded up from flat sheets of metal. They were buffed and polished, and then they were brought down to Florida and placed in the park. One of the best parts about them is they look so natural flying along the coastline there, and we really love them.